The number of registered vehicles in the nation surpassed 26 million last year, with eco-friendly cars, including electric, hydrogen, and hybrid models, accounting for over 10% of the total for the first time.
지난해 국내에 등록된 자동차 수가 2,600만 대를 넘어선 가운데 전기, 수소, 하이브리드와 같은 친환경차 비율이 처음으로 10%대에 진입한 것으로 나타났습니다. Alright, so let's talk about the number of cars last year.
Cars. The Transport Ministry here reported on Wednesday that the total number of registered vehicles in Korea came to almost 26.3 million as of the end of last December, and that's up 1.3% from a year earlier.
네. 그러니까 작년에 자동차 누적 등록 대수예요. 그게 2,600만 대를 기록했다는 거고요. 2,600 좀 넘었습니다. 그게 또 그 전해에 비해서는 1% 정도. 그러니까 한 34만 대, 35만 대 이상 증가한 수치입니다. 또 친환경차가 많이 늘었고요.
Yes, so that's one of the main takeaways from this story is that the number of eco-friendly vehicles, let's define eco-friendly vehicles here as a category. It includes electric, hydrogen, and hybrid models, and that category jumped to more than 10% of all vehicle ownership here in Korea.
그래요. 이번에 그 친환경차들이 많이 늘었는데 누적 등록 대수 같은 경우에는 274만 대 정도인데요. 그중에 하이브리드가 한 48만 대 정도였다고 합니다. 굉장히 큰 비율을 차지하고 있는 거죠.
So even if we hadn't seen this study today and weren't talking about it today, I think, when you're out driving around or walking around, you can definitely see a lot more electric cars.
Sure.
That's for sure, on the streets. And the thing about them is you can't hear them. So you have to be careful when you're, crossing the street. Sometimes you see one before you hear one. But definitely in my apartment complex, I see a lot more of these eco-friendly cars.
Exactly. A lot of hybrid cars, as we saw in the headline there as well. All right, well, let's have a look at the first expression. A vehicle.
A vehicle. Let's do the spelling first. It's V-E-H-I-C-L-E. A little bit hard to pronounce, maybe.
Yeah.
It's a noun, and I should point out the H in there can or cannot be pronounced. Both are acceptable pronunciations, so vehicle or vehicle with a silent H. And this is a mode of transport, usually, especially on land. So usually cars and trucks.
Yeah, exactly. 자, 그 교통수단을 vehicle이라고 합니다. 여기에는 일반 승용차도 들어있을 수 있지만 그 외에도 승합차, 트럭 지금 말씀하신 것도 있을 수 있고요. 경차도 포함되고 다양합니다. 다 이제 교통수단을 vehicle이라고 표현을 하죠. 자, 그 다음에 eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly. This is a word we hear a lot also here in Korea. We have eco, or you can also pronounce it echo. Both pronunciations are acceptable. And then friendly, and it's hyphenated. And when something is eco-friendly, it's kind or favorable to the environment. It's good for the earth. It's not harmful to our earth.
That's right. 친환경적이다. eco-friendly. 그래서 ECO가 붙으면은 환경 친화적이라는 걸 우리가 알 수 있는데요. 발음은 두 가지가 가능합니다. 에코도 되고 이코도 되고요. 아까 제가 그 하이브리드 차량 대수 얘기하면서 48만 대 정도 증가했다라고 말씀을 드렸는지 모르겠어요. 48만 대 증가해서 전체 누적 대수가 200만 대가 넘어섰습니다. 전체 친환경 자동차 270만 대 중에서 하이브리드가 200만 대니까 엄청나게 큰 비율을 차지하고 있는
That's
거죠.
a big percentage.
Yes, indeed. 자, 그러면 다시 한번 제가 읽어볼게요. The number of registered vehicles in the nation surpassed 26 million last year, with eco-friendly cars, including electric, hydrogen, and hybrid models, accounting for over 10% of the total for the first time. Let's move on to the next headline.